Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to delete your YouTube channel. Whether you're looking to start fresh or simply want to clean up your digital footprint, we're here to help you through the process. Let's dive right in. First, sign into your YouTube account. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now, navigate to Settings. You'll find this option in the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, select Channel Settings. Then, click on Advanced Settings. Scroll down until you see the Remove YouTube Content option. Click on this link. You might be prompted to sign in again for verification purposes. You'll now be redirected to a page where you can either hide or delete your channel. If you're sure you want to delete, click on I want to permanently delete my content. You will then see a checklist confirming what will be deleted. This includes your videos, comments, messages, playlists, and history. After reviewing, check the box to acknowledge that you understand the consequences of deletion. Finally, click on Delete My Content. You'll be asked to enter your channel name as a confirmation of this irreversible action. And that's it. Your YouTube channel, along with all its content, will be permanently deleted. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to delete your YouTube channel. Remember, this action is permanent, so make sure this is the right decision for you. For more helpful guides, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos.